What if I told you that the knot in your stomach when you look at your bank account isn't your fault? That feeling of being on a financial treadmill, running hard but getting nowhere? It's a trap. As of the first quarter of 2025, many Americans are feeling this, with household debt hitting a record $18.2 trillion. For a long time, I was one of them. I was drowning in debt, feeling like financial freedom was a fairy tale for other people. I felt broke and powerless. But in this video, I'm laying out the exact 7-step blueprint that took me from broke to financially free. This is not a get-rich-quick fantasy. It's the real, actionable roadmap, popularized by financial experts like Grant Sabatier, that shows you the distinct levels you have to climb to build lasting, actual wealth. By the end, you will have a clear path to become a true baller in your own financial life. Section 1: The problem agitated. Before the steps, let's be brutally honest. Most people are unknowingly stuck in the first few stages in what's called financial survival, and they stay there for their entire lives. You're making just enough to cover the bills, with absolutely nothing left. One flat tire or a surprise medical bill, and the whole house of cards collapses. The stress is constant. The cost of doing nothing is a life sentence of financial anxiety, where your money controls you, not the other way around. Step 1: Achieve total clarity. The very first step, the foundation for everything, is clarity. This is where you finally turn on the lights. You can't fight an enemy you can't see. It's time to take a fearless inventory of your entire financial life. No more looking away. Track your spending for 30 days. Every single dollar. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. The point isn't to feel guilty, it's to get the facts. You will be amazed where your money is actually going. This awareness is level 1. Step 2: Reach self-sufficiency. With clarity, you can reach self-sufficiency. This is the point where you're standing on your own 2 financial feet. Your income consistently covers your living expenses without leaning on anyone or racking up new debt. If you're swiping a credit card for necessities at the end of the month, you're not there yet. The key move here is creating a realistic budget from the data you gathered in Step 1. Step 3: Create breathing room. This is where the magic really starts, creating breathing room. You've officially broken the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle because you have money left over after all your bills are paid. That gap is the seed of your future wealth. Your number 1 mission now is to destroy high-interest debt, especially credit card debt. Attack it with urgency. At the same time, build a starter emergency fund of at least 1 month's essential living expenses. This buffer is what gives you the breathing room to make smart choices, not desperate ones. Hey, if this blueprint is making sense, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us get this information to more people who really need it. Now, let's talk about building a fortress. Step 4: Build your financial fortress. Welcome to Step 4: Stability. If breathing room was a small buffer, stability is a fortress. You're safe from the vast majority of life's financial curveballs. Here, you build a fully funded emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is non-negotiable, and it lives in a separate, high-yield savings account you don't touch unless it's a true emergency. This is also where you bulletproof your life with the right insurance: health, life, and disability. Step 5: Unlock financial flexibility. Step 5 is where you unlock flexibility, and this is a game changer. Money is no longer just about survival or security, it's about having options. At this level, you've likely saved 1 to 2 years' worth of living expenses. This gives you the power to make major life decisions based on what you want to do, not what you have to do. Step 6. Achieve financial independence. This is the goal so many of us are running toward. Step 6. Financial independence. This is the point where work becomes a choice. Your investment income is now greater than your living expenses. A common guideline here is the 4% rule. Once you have 25 times your annual expenses invested, you can theoretically withdraw 4% each year to live on, and the money should last for about 30 years. Step 7. Master abundant wealth. For most, financial independence is the dream. But there is one final level: abundant wealth. At this stage, you have more money than you could ever possibly need. Your wealth is now growing so fast, you couldn't possibly spend it all. Your focus is no longer on growing your money, but on preserving it and thinking about your legacy, multi-generational wealth, large-scale philanthropy, and how to make a huge impact on the world. It represents the absolute mastery of money.